Dive into the heart of Bora Bora's marine splendor with a shark and ray snorkeling safari. Glide alongside the elegant stingrays and feel the rush of swimming with sharks in the crystal-clear lagoon waters. Your journey begins with a touch of magic at the Stingray Ballet, a shallow water dance where you become part of the performance. Capture the essence of the turquoise lagoon and the stunning landscapes before braving the deep to meet black tip and lemon sharks. The final act? A snorkeling escapade in a mesmerizing coral garden, a vivid underwater tapestry waiting to be explored. This all-inclusive adventure offers return transfers, snorkeling gear, and a guided tour complete with spring water refreshments. English and French speakers will guide you, ensuring a seamless experience. Remember to bring your camera, sun protection, and a sense of wonder as you embark from your hotel or pension, with special arrangements available for select locations. Be mindful that the itinerary may shift with the tides and weather, and while wildlife encounters are common, they're a gift, not a guarantee. For the safety of all, touching the reef or marine life is not advised. Come prepared to swim, explore, and immerse yourself in the aquatic wonders of Bora Bora. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.